Good morning to each and everybody. In this time, we have to discuss about the topic of spiritual thinking and concept of science. Every successful achievement is caused by the positive thinking, and a spiritual thinking is originated by positive thinking. Imagination is also oriented by positive thinking. A spiritual thinking is a combined impact of faith and positive thinking. Science, in general, depends upon a strong imagination which passes through different stages like theory, mathematical verification, experiment, and other tools. But in more of the cases, full and clear explanation of the problem can never be performed. There are several cases in scientific fields where we get our static position after accepting the fact that there may be something. It is said to be Sir Isaac Newton had never accepted the concept of a straightforward explanation of gravitation. He said time to time for gravitation that there may be something. There may be something. And therefore, we are not definite that we are going to do anything that must be concluded. However, the spiritual thinking always indicates some definite knowledge regarding the different tools of science. There are several cases which forward the concept of science, and regarding this we have to explain first the word power. By the word power we follow three types of power which are ordinary power, relative power, and absolute power. The word relative is generally used in the sense of comparison and is fully discussed relative to its comparative system, but the main thrust of the problem is about knowing the peaceful existence of absolutism. Absolute uniquely exists and can never be compared with any system in our existing universe. The central problem about absolutism is originated from our world complexities, because we all want a very peaceful life. Peace is a fundamental character of humanity. In general, if a man goes through peaceful path with his own positive thinking, he will get the best successful spirituality with a nice and divine facial glamour. Spirituality is related with religiousness of human being. Dr. Albert Einstein explained regarding his spiritual thinking that we are quoting the same words which had delivered by Dr. Albert Einstein, and in accordance with that very concept, the most beautiful and deepest experience a man can have in the sense of mysterious. It is the underlying principle of religion as well as all serious endeavor in art and science. He who never had this experience seems to me, if not dead, then at least blind. the sense that behind anything that can be experienced, there is a something that our mind cannot grasp and whose beauty and sublimity reaches us only indirectly and as a feeble reflection. This is religiousness. In this sense, I am religious. As Einstein said, consciousness plays a vital role in spiritual thinking. René Descartes of France pronouncement is I think, therefore I am, means the question of existence, as Descartes thought that he was because he was. And such type of thinking forms a good starting point for a discussion on consciousness. I am is the biggest spiritual content. See here, I am is the biggest spiritual content with a deep rooted fact which exists everywhere. And it is just like in the physical sense as well as in the spiritual sense also. In Vedantic perspective, we quote Aham Brahmasmi, which defines all spiritual characters in human being. A man can think in different ways, but positive thinking, central thinking, and thinking for the truth make a man as a spiritual man. A spiritual thinking is quite relevant to the progress of science also. It can be expanded to include knowledge in search of spiritual truth. It is also a real fact that the absolute truth always defines God. God is the supreme being. The thinking patterns of present day seekers of the absolute truth as well as their search for the ultimate reality have been greatly influenced by scientific thinking. Scientific knowledge based on empirical data has grown exponentially over the past 325 years, and modern scholars are eager to understand material and spiritual knowledge on a scientific basis. Inquiry is the basic character of human life. Everyone inquires about something on the other. In the period of life, one experiences different phases like old age, disease, and many kinds of sufferings. This is why that we want to get the solution of the problems. Every research work is a kind of inquiry. Inquiry forms the most important process of acquiring knowledge of these problems. Every research work is a kind of inquiry. Inquiry forms the most important process of acquiring knowledge. We want to know about things that are beyond what we can see conventionally. There are several inventions like electron microscope, telescope, television, smartphone, laptop, desktop, and others to satisfy our curiosity. But these are fewer for our inquiry and are not enough. Our senses are still very limited. And regarding this, we can say that science goes under our limiting conditions. The most important inquiry of human life should be to find out about the absolute truth. In Vedantic view, this is centered at Athato Brahma Jigyasa, the ability to inquire about the ultimate truth of life makes the human being uniquely from all other forms of life. Sir Isaac Newton asked why the apple did fall on the earth as an answer. In his scientific inquiry, he discovered the best universal law of gravitation, and according to which capital F is equal to capital G multiplied with a small m1 into m2 divided by d square, where F is the force of attraction between two bodies having masses m1 and m2, d is the distance between the two bodies, and capital G is the gravitational constant. And continuing this episode, we shall discuss rest in our next episode. Thank you very much.